My Baby to Be, a brand new application for expecting women. Expecting women now have the unique opportunity to share ultrasound images, videos and even an audio recording of the beating heart of their unborn baby with friends and family through their smartphone. With this brand new app, My Baby to Be, you will be able to share and send images which you receive only minutes after leaving the room through social media or via email. This app gives women the possibility to share ultrasound images of their unborn child in a more interactive, faster and a more enjoyable way than ever before. Through My Baby to Be, pregnant women, close friends and family will remain more involved with the provided care surrounding the pregnancy. My Baby to Be is available on Google's Android, Apple's iOS and Microsoft's Windows 8 mobile.